Hello friends, today I'd like to show how to download Instagram videos. So here is the profile, Instagram profile. The profile is very engaging, lots of followers, lots of regular posts. So I want to download a video uh, from here, or this is a video. So how I can download it? Just need to type Google on Google, Instagram video download online. Then I can paste the link and download. Yes, search results, and I can also use another link, snap save, click on download. Yeah, so this is the video. I can just easily download after one click. And this is another link, just I can click download video here. Yeah, so video is being downloaded, very simple. This way you can download any type of video, not only video, you can also download other content. Thank you.